What's going on, guys? This is Kobe with Sample Source, back with another video. And in today's video, what I'm going to be breaking down are the only 3 things that you need in order to have a business and in order to make thousands of dollars as a music producer. Okay, so if you don't know who I am already, I am a platinum music producer. I've worked with the likes of Rod Wave, K-Camp, YFN Lucci, Rotimi, Forever Friday, Ciara the Kid, and I have unreleased records with Lecrae, Chris Brown, Big Sean, and many more. So none of that gives me the ability to speak on what I'm gonna speak on today, which is how to sell beats. So what actually qualifies me to do that? The reason being is that I make $5,000 a month as a music producer, and so this is by doing things that are unorthodox. I don't have a YouTube, and I don't sell my beats for the main part through BeatStars. So I'm going to show you the alternative in this video today. So it's the only 3 things you need, and I'm going to tell you a quick story in order to show you how this works. So in conjunction with the whiteboard, here we go. So when I was a kid, I used to be completely obsessed with how things worked. And so we had the old dial-up internet, and so a lot of people don't remember this, but we didn't always used to have high-speed internet. And so I would have 30 minutes to go and look up whatever I want on the internet every single day. And so what I would look up is a site called howstuffworks.com. And so on that, what I would find is how cars worked, and I was obsessed with cars. And so what I found is that cars have 2 basic systems. So the 2 things that they have the body. So I'm going to draw a car real quick. So you have the body of the car, right? So it's like the frame and whatnot. So you got that going on, so you have the windows, you have the doors, you have the rear view mirrors and that type of thing. You have headlights. I'm going to keep it in 2-dimensional. I'm going to tell you guys I can draw in 3D, but for the sake of this video, I'll keep it in 2 dimensions. So you have the body, what's on the exterior, what you can see, and you have underneath the hood, you have the engine. So I'll just do a block for that. And so the engine is obviously what makes it go. And so you have an engine, you have another thing, a transmission, and then you'll have an axle that goes to the back. And this axle connects to something called a differential, and that connects to another axle that goes to the wheels and allows them to spin. And so that's how a car works. And this is actually called the drive shaft. It's called the drive shaft. So the whole thing there is called the drivetrain. So you have the body, number 1, you have the body, and number 2, you have this whole thing underneath the hood, which is the drivetrain. Okay, so why am I telling you this story? I mean, how does that relate to selling beats? And so the way that it relates to selling beats, let me X this out, is going to be because we focus on all the wrong things in order to move the needle, in order to get more sales into our business. And so whenever we first start out, the things that we think we need to sell beats, we think we need a BeatStars and a website. So we think we need a site. We think we need a logo. We think we need to post content. And the 4th thing that we think we need to do when we start selling beats online is branding. We think we need to brand. So a lot of people make this mistake. And so, of course, in the beginning, you got to build up your followers, do what you need to do. But once you get to around 500 followers or something like that, you don't need any of these 4 things in order to sell beats. And so I'm going to show you exactly how. So instead of doing these 4 things, you don't need a BeatStars or anything like that. You simply need a place that has your beats uploaded. This can be Dropbox, it can be BeatStars if you want it. That's where I upload mine. But before that, it was Google Drive. So you can upload your beats to the cloud. So you need to upload your beats somewhere. This can be free or paid. So once you have your beats uploaded, the next thing that you need to sell beats is going to be a process for finding artists. So you need to find artists. And so this is kind of a prerequisite. I'm not including it in the 3 things that you need to sell beats necessarily, but obviously it's one of the prerequisites. So once you have the beats uploaded, the 3 things that you need to sell them, you need to find artists. You need to go and have a way to qualify them. And so this is what I call the DM funnel. So we're going to have a funnel of kind of questions that we ask the artists in order to get them prepped and ready to sell to. And so after we've done that, the next thing we need is the sales process. And this is the engine of your business. So you need a sales process. I know I butchered that a little bit. So this is what you need in order to sell beats online. So if you have these four things, you have a business. And so a lot of people think that you need thousands of followers. They think that you need to post and post and post consistently in order to get sales. And they think that you need to have a really amazing brand in order to sell beats. And you don't need any of that. I've seen people make thousands of dollars a month with less than 1,000 followers. And so Manic, when I first started helping him, he had 900 and something followers, and we were up to $2,700 a month. And that wasn't even all the way through the month yet. I'm pretty sure we hit over 3,000 that month. And so that's something that you have to think about is like, if we're starting from scratch, obviously we need to put in some groundwork, but all you need is these three things. And so if you have these three things and you're not making money still, if you're finding artists and you're DMing them, then it's one of two things that's happening here that is going to be a bottleneck for your business. So by bottleneck, what I mean is that it can be like a funnel, and so it starts wide, and then it gets here, and then we have a problem that's keeping us from making money right here. And so if we don't figure this out, then we don't make enough money. And so the bottleneck on your business when it comes to finding artists is you're either doing one of three things. You're not finding the right artist, so you need to find the right artist. So right artist. The second thing you need to do is you need to reach out to more artists. So you need to find more artists, more of the right artists to reach out to. So if you're finding more artists to reach out to that are higher quality, you're going to have a higher conversion percentage. And so the third mistake that I see when people are messaging artists is that they're not able to message them quickly enough. And so that a lot of times we don't have the right process. So whenever I'm messaging artists, I message them from a laptop. It's a lot quicker to do because I can just hover over the profiles and I can use the middle click in the mouse, the scroll wheel. And so I use that, and then I middle click all of the tabs out so that I have like 50 tabs open, and I go and batch process it is what I like to call it. So once I have like 50 artists to go message, I go and weed through them and find the serious artists to message and the ones that are making music that I like to make. And so I message all the artists that I like. And so out of those 50, I might only message 20 of them, and then I'll go and repeat that process until I have 50 artists that I message. And so if you're doing it like that and you're using the tools that I use, so I use an AI tool called Magical. And so if I use that tool, then I can go and make a shortcut and then the whole word pops up. So I do like -7 or -9, and it's going to go and pop up an entire phrase from my DM funnel. And so if I do that, then I'm going to be able to message them more efficiently. And so it's an efficiency problem, right? So you're not able to find them quick enough, and you're not able to find the right artists, and you're not able to find enough quickly enough. So right, so efficiency. I think I spelled that right. So that's the first step. To do all of these three steps right here, that's going to take me about 2 hours to message 50 artists. The second one is the DM funnel. So if you're already doing all of these steps and you're still not able to make enough money from it, maybe you're stuck at like $200, $300, $500 a month. You're under $1,000 a month as a music producer. If you are making really good beats and you're messaging artists, you can easily make over $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 a month, and that's by applying this. So here's what you need to do. You need to convert more. So to convert more artists through DMs, you need to work on the funnel. So you need to ask the right questions first off. So ask better questions is what I'll put up here. So ask better questions. So a lot of us are going in there and we're just going and spamming links. We're going and pitching our beats too early. We're doing all of these things without actually asking better questions. So ask better questions, and then we need to acknowledge the responses. So if we're acknowledging their responses, then basically before we go and pivot into what we need to talk about to sell the beats, we need to acknowledge what they said in the first place so that they feel understood. Because artists don't want to understand us as producers, they simply want to feel understood. So if we can communicate that, that's going to allow us to get more sales because now they're paying attention to us. And so if we ask better questions and we acknowledge what they say, then the third step is the sales process, right? So acknowledgement and asking better questions, that's going to take some time. So like per day, I'm probably going to invest like another hour into responding. So once we have done the first two steps, the third step is sales. So if you are failing to get sales into your business and you're already doing these first two things, then one of a few things is probably happening. So one, you're probably not using basic psychology. And so you might ask, why would I need psychology to sell beats? So here's the reason why. People don't make decisions unless they feel like it's their decision. They want to retain their own autonomy, which means they want to feel like they're in charge. And so to do that, what we want to do is give them options. And so I never give them more than two options. So if I want to sell something, what I use is what I call the crossroads analogy. So if I draw a crossroads, so there's a fork in the road, and they're right here, and what I want to do is I want to give them two options. So I want to say you can choose one of these two options. You can choose option A, or you can choose option B. And so when it comes to selling beats, and they say they're interested in buying beats from me, then I'm gonna say, do you want a custom beat? Let's say, do you want a custom? Do you want a custom beat, or do you want an exclusive beat? Right. So I've given them one of those two options, and then once they respond to that, then to get the sale to close, I'm gonna say, okay, do you want PayPal, or do you want Cash App? Right. So if you're from Europe, don't freak out. If you're from a country that doesn't have Cash App, then you can simply go through PayPal. But this seems to work really well when it comes to paying. Is to ask them what kind of payment option they want. So psychologically, they feel like they can go right or they can go left. But in reality, are those the only two options they can choose? No. So they can actually choose to go backwards, right? They can go backwards this way. They can go right. They can go left. They can go straight up the middle. So you can go a variety of different ways, but by only giving them two options, it's going to allow us to close more deals because they feel like they have two options and that they're retaining their autonomy and that they're choosing the option that they want to choose, when it's either option is a win for us, right? So that's how you're going to close more deals. So if you apply all of those tips that I just showed you, those moves are going to take you from wherever you're at. So let's say you're at like $500 a month. If you're at $500 a month and you decide to follow all the steps in this video, there's no reason why you couldn't be making $1,500 the next month. And so before you say, I'm full of it or I'm making this up, I've helped multiple producers. So I'm not going to name the names exactly, but I helped a producer go from $500, and within 90 days we were at 4,000 plus. So we made it to over 4,000. I helped another producer. We started at $800, and when we went from $800, we got to my knowledge, 2.7 thousand. But what he told me, since it wasn't the end of the month yet, he was saying we're more likely looking at like $3,100, right? So I've helped multiple producers make thousands of dollars, and there's other producers I helped that were basically like at zero or just a couple $100 a month. Helped him to get to over 3K. Helped another producer to go from 700 to 2.5 thousand. Another producer I helped to go from 1,500. We went from 1,500 to 2,500, and that was in 1 month. So $1,000 in 1 month. And then another producer I helped to double their income. So their income went up. By 100%. Not sure exactly what it was, but they ended up quitting their jobs, right? And they still live full time off of this, right? So I've helped multiple producers make thousands and thousands of dollars. And so the way that I do this is by making these moves, and we implement a sales process that is either going to be through the DMs. So let me X this off the screen. So my sales process is like this. So I go like this. I find the artists. So we go and find artists. Then I message them. So I send them through a funnel. And after that funnel is through, what I do is I get them onto the phone, get them onto a phone call. And so once I get them onto a phone call, I can figure out exactly what they need, develop rapport, all of those good things for sales. And then I get them onto a video call. And so the cool thing about a video call is that I can close the sale on that call. So I'm closing that sale, which means I'm getting paid on that call. So I'm closing via the phone call. So once I get to this step, I get paid money. And so the reason why this is so powerful is because a lot of music producers are waiting till Friday, we're waiting till next month, we're waiting until the artist gets paid. And I proved this with an experiment. I did a free custom beat a year ago, and I just got paid last week for it. So it was $500. I did a customized beat, and I was just like, let me just wait and see when they actually pay me. And it was a year later. So if you're trying to make a business and you're trying to pay your bills on a monthly basis, not a yearly basis, then what you need to do is you need to make money. And it's not like we're not making money, right? So if we line up $10,000 in sales, so let's say we line up $10,000 in sales, is that a lot of money? And so the answer to that question is it depends. So it depends on when are we going to actually have that money deposited into our bank account, right? So if we're making money, then the next problem is we're not making money fast enough. And so to make money faster, that's why I get onto the phone call with them, a video call, and sell to them there. And that way I'm able to make money as quickly as possible because they're just paying me over that call. And I use something called buy now, pay later to process the payment, and that way I get paid 100% upfront. So if I get onto the phone call, I'm selling either a $1,000 product or usually a $250 product. And I get 100% of that up front. And so that's kind of the thing there. So if you're wanting to make thousands of dollars a month, you don't have to wait months and months to get thousands of dollars. You can actually make thousands of dollars in the next 90 days. So if you're interested in doing that, then like I said, I've helped multiple producers to make multiple thousands of dollars a month. So if you're interested, then all you need to do to get help from me one-on-one is to message me on Instagram and just DM me, I'm interested. And that way I know you came from my YouTube content and I can reach out to you and I can see exactly how I can help. We can hop onto a quick call and see if one-on-one coaching is a good fit for you and go from there. And so if you want to be the next person to make thousands of dollars a month, this is the strategy that I use, and I've helped other producers to implement one of 3 strategies that help them to scale to thousands of dollars per month. And so if you want to do that and you're like, hey, that's me, I'm only making X amount of money off of beats and I want to make more, I want to 3X my business, I've helped people to double their business like I just showed you. So if you want to do that, then DM me, I'm interested, on Instagram. I'll make sure it's up in the corner of the screen so you can see it. It's just Kobe Sample Source. And so I want to help any way that I can and connect with you guys and offer value. So hopefully this video was valuable and it shows you the 3 moves that you can make to start making more money off your beats. And I'll see you guys in the next one.